Here we freaking go. Yes, sir. What a wonderful day for space holders, guys. And I cannot tell you how excited I am. First, let me put the studio in Virgin Galactic Blue because we are going to the moon, baby. We are going to the moon. I'm telling you guys, today was just the beginning. I will invite you on maybe the craziest ride. We will look back, okay, in just a couple of months and said, do you remember when it was 60? And we hold it strong and bought lower and lower and lower. We bought the dip and now it's finally at 100. And guys, don't forget, at the $100, I am jumping out of an airplane, all right? And vlogging this, obviously. So make sure to buy more space, guys, yeah? What a wonderful day. I mean, what a, you know, when I was the last time that happy? I was the last time that happy when I was, back investing into Tesla shares and, also having huge option trades. And then I was saying, Tesla must, it's unevictable that, Tesla must go into the S&P 500, and it took a week and then longer and a quarter longer. And then it finally happened. I woke up, I saw the message, and I was so happy, so much more wealthy, and just absolutely this feeling, and this is why I love the stock market, this feeling when you are heavily invested in stocks, in a specific stock, and you just know that at some point of time they are doing the right thing. And this is just one of those days, okay? And the stock market will close in 2 minutes, guys. And here we go, 1986. Let's hope we can close over 20. This would be amazing. This would be a fantastic end of day, guys, okay? And let me know, chat, where you are watching from, guys, okay? Because you are invited to the official after party here, and it's totally for free. I know how long and how much you miss parties because of the current health situation, but let me get those 20s here, okay? The roaring 20s. So we have people from, let me see, Netherlands, Hawaii, the island of Punani, Illinois, we have Wales, we have Liverpool, we have Boston, we have Germany, we have Canada, we have Connecticut, we have Portugal, we have Austria, California, Texas in the house. We have Barcelona, Lithuania, we have Transylvania, we have Italy, Sweden, Connecticut, San Liorfa. I don't know where is that, but sounds amazing. Chinatown, we have Turkey, we have Texas, we have your usual bedroom, we have Daytona, Turkey, we have Canada, London, and Taiwan, Georgia. Guys, all around the world, all astronauts around the world, guys. I don't know if we still can make it. It's like 1 minute to go to close the market. And we are up 15%, guys. 15%. And the market seems to close in just a second. And guys, don't forget, tomorrow is still a day. Okay, tomorrow is still one day. There's 1 day more, guys, to purchase space. And for those who missed it and live apparently under the rock today. No problem, I will update you. So we closed today, by the way, now officially 1981, and after hours we still raising. Okay, after hours it seems we are crossing the $20 mark. Let's see. We will get back to that. Yeah, so what happened? Tesla Space actually announced that they don't have to do big maintenance on the mothership that takes this baby here into space, and we are actually going as soon as in the next 48 hours. Unbelievable but true. Yes, it is. So they actually apparently had this date in mind already, and I think they choose Saturday because of a couple of reasons. Okay, I think if you imagine, if you ever worked for a company and you have to work on Saturday or Sunday, you know that Saturdays are actually like a, let's say, a little bit relaxed day, right? It's weekend. Yes, you go to work, but everything, no phone calls. It's like a kind of relaxed situation. So I think this is number one part. Second, I think, they obviously look into weather and this kind of things. And third thing, I think if the weather would be not good on Saturday, they still have Sunday because they want to make this flight ideally during the market close. Okay, because the market should be closed because it could be quite volatile. So I think, they will have Saturday. If Saturday it's not happening because of weather, then still have Sunday. And then Monday, they will provide us with a brand new stock price, guys. And I'm telling you that there is huge things that are currently happening, okay? There will be happening something with the stock price, and you will know it here first because we will dive now into the chart. After, I want to announce something. As you know, I have a X10 Masterclass. What is the X10 Masterclass? The X10 Masterclass is a huge video course that I created with lots and lots of hours of work, and it's actually available on x10masterclass.com. And here you have 100 videos telling how to act on the stock market to become like me, financially unindependent. Plus, you also can become a really professional investor. This is in my personal opinion, everyone can do what I have done. Okay, I did this before I was 30. And I'm living now, I have much more time for everything, for YouTube, for my life, and I just enjoy it. And I think that everyone can do it. So this is one part. And the second part is a huge case study of Virgin Galactic. I put their calculation of the value. I put their calculation on how much money they could make in the next years to create this whole model, how the stock could be valued in a couple of years. And I'm not sharing this on YouTube. I'm sharing this on the X10 Masterclass. And there's obviously the lifetime access to my Discord channel. And let me tell you, we have so many people out there already which posting there every single day. It's great community, and you can text 24 hours with people around the world. Now, as a thank you that Space actually announced it, I will announce, or you will get 22% off with the code SPACE22. And obviously you will support the channel, and I think it's a fantastic way. So check it out, x10masterclass.com. Also, the link is into the description. So, guys, in the most simplistic way, let's dive into, the stock chart, okay? Because the stock chart is something that is actually very important right now, all right? Because now we have the news and we need to see what is important, okay? And after that, I want to talk with you about if it's still too late, because there's for sure some people that are just joining or that just got aware through my videos or whatsoever. So we will talk about, if you're early, if you're too late, or if you're already a long-term holder, what you can do to maximize your profit. So actually, I can put here the moving average 50. Let's put also the 200 moving average, which will be important as well. why it's not working. Okay, now here we go. So here's the current chart, okay? On, what was it? 14th of April, we actually, let's close that. 14th of April, we actually crossed the 200 moving average, which is usually a bearish sign. And as you can see, plus the bad news, it was a perfect bad storm, okay? Straight line to hell for many of us, for at least temporary, okay? But now the wind seems to turn. First, it looked a little bit like that, but actually it can be quite stronger like that. Now, what will be very important now in the next couple of days will be this here, okay? And guys, I know I'm not really the best guy in drawing, but that's no problem. So here you can see when the stock now crosses this area, which is the 200 moving area, 200 moving average and the 50 moving average, this will be the start of the following. You know what this is? I know you can already guess it. Exactly. That is the rocket to the moon. Okay, here you can see, I think the moon has like craters like that. So here you can see this, which can happen still in May, will be the straight way to the rocket ship to the moon. Okay, to the moon, right? And this is important now, because I think that it's very, very potential that we will cross this line. And this line, by the way, is now currently at 26. So about 30%. Okay, 30%. I can easily imagine what can happen to the stock of Virgin Galactic if the flight is successful. And I'm giving it a rate of like 95%, okay? Because the spaceship is throughout tested now and so on and so forth. And that's why I really believe that, you know, this is very high potential. So by 80%, we will close that gap, which will be 30% gain alone. Plus, this will be the ignition for the spaceship to go even higher. And then all the way up, there's lot of potential, okay? Because there is a couple of resistance after that, which I would say somewhere here, which is 30. So 30 will be next. After 30, maybe 35. And then, boy, we can go quite quick, okay? Then we can go quite... I highly doubt, to be very honest with you guys, because I want to give you the straight facts, okay? I think this levels is something that we might just see again with the second test flight. I just think this was also a lot of hype, the overall market. This was just in this huge bull run. And I believe that this is not yet, okay, not yet possible. But it will be in just a couple of weeks. Now, there is a couple of different type of space investors out there, okay? I will go one by one. Let's say you are, and I will use my things here on the table, okay? This is the long-term investor, okay? Very shiny, very relaxed, very elegant, just dollar cost averaging every month, every week, whatever he has money, okay? This is you maybe, and this is the best choice. This is me as well, by the way, okay? I'm just, you know, I just chilling, okay? Stock goes from 60 to 14. I'm just freaking chilling. Okay. Did you see me breaking any sweat? No, I was happy because I can, you know, dollar cost average down, right? So I bought at 25 because I thought it's like a bargain. Then I bought at 20 because it's like a super bargain. I bought at 32 because I was thinking it's cheap. And now I at 15, 14, it was like a ridiculous price, okay? And you see how fast we catch this up. So this is the best investment vehicle, okay? Now that's the thing. Then we have the short-term investor, okay? The short-term investor maybe missed the first flight, but I think that he is now jumping on, all right? And I think that people say, oh, I missed now 15%. Guys, in my personal opinion, this stock is very undervalued under many circumstances, okay? The company, the product, and so on. But think about the industry. If you want to be part of one of the strongest and biggest industry worldwide, the space industry, then you have not many chances. You cannot buy SpaceX. You cannot buy Blue Origin. So you better freaking buy Virgin Galactic, okay? So that's why I believe that this is a very, very strong argument, okay? So this is it for those investors. And then there's those investors that, you know, trying to look into the magic ball and always trying to get a great, let's say, deal, right? And trying to time the market. Well, that's most probably not possible. Most possible you missed out, right? You missed out because you said, oh, I will buy the stock at 10. Well, you know, it's not gonna happen, all right? You missed the train. I'm sorry. And now your ego is too big to buy at 20. That's the problem. That's one of the biggest problems, your ego, when you sell too early. You're saying, oh no, I miss it, okay? I will not buy again at these levels, okay? Then what happens? The stock goes to 30 and you say, oh my God, oh no, you know? And those people that, for example, bought at 50 and 60 and then saw the stock down and saw all the bad news and didn't bought on the way down have to wait now, okay? They have to wait now until the stock goes back up because their ego is so big. They say, oh no, the stock is down. I will not sell with loss. But this is the wrong attitude, guys, okay? If you understand the core value and you like the stock at 50 or 60, and they announced something and did exactly that. They said, we will fly in May. Now they are flying in May. So they did everything as planned. So why you didn't bought the stock and reduced your price? Because at some point, you can reduce your price, let's say worst case, you bought at 60, okay? You bought at 60 and you didn't bought at 40, you didn't bought at 30, you didn't bought at 20. You didn't buy at 14. And now you have the chance to buy at 20 again. It's a great deal if you believe in the company. And as always, obviously, that's no financial advice. So guys, for all of those out there now thinking, is it now too late? No, okay? If you believe in the company, if you believe they make things happening on Saturday, then you have here a super bargain, okay? If you believe in the space industry in general, this is your call, okay? One option, okay? Put it in your portfolio, let it, you know, go and see what's happening in the next couple of years. I think that many people are getting too much scared out of the markets, and this is a big problem, guys. And I think that the crypto scene is giving you this kind of instant gains and instant 50, 60, 100% that you don't understand that this is, you know, really gambling, okay? Because most of that, except Bitcoin, Ethereum, the big ones, is real gambling and can go back to 30, 40% down, right? But for this kind of companies, they are growing over time. You can really build wealth here. You can put part of your salary every now and then into kind of this kind of stocks like I did in Tesla and never have to work again, okay? But you have to put the discipline into that, all right? So that's the thing that I want to give you, okay? So Summarized, diamond hands. Diamond hands, guys. Okay? I want to speak about something else. And I think that is your comments. Okay? Let's dive into the comments. So if you have any questions, then put it into the chat. And I'm just putting here the right screen on. And make sure, guys, smash the like button for this channel. And make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. Okay? Make sure to follow me there to absolutely get always informed about this new kind of stuff. Because I'm posting it there always first. And on Twitter, obviously. Follow me on Twitter as well. So, by the way, this is my Twitter here, this one. Wolf_investing and YouTube and Instagram. Okay, so let's have a look. Gallardo Steve is asking 50% again tomorrow. Could be, yeah, if the market is good. See, the people have now this fear of missing out. Okay, the people are having really this fear of missing out, and tomorrow is the only window to buy this stock before it goes up 20, 30, 40, 50%. I have no idea what it will look like on Monday if the test flight is successful. Okay, it could be absolutely madness, yeah, but I think that it's really, really, really crazy to not, if you believe in the company, now is the right call. Okay, might be the last one. If they fix now all the issues, and if they fly on Saturday a great flight and make a great marketing out of that, and fly again on July or June, the next test flight, and then Richard in July, let's say for the 2nd of July, then this would be absolutely mind-blowing. And in between, there will be glide flights of the Spaceship 3. Imagine what the stock will do in the next couple of weeks, okay? This is my potential that I see out there. And show me another stock that is as close as potential as that. I don't know any, okay? Show me in the comments, chat. Show me in the comments, chat, one stock that has such a high probability to be much higher at year end than now, and have now so many proved stuff behind it. I don't know. So, next question. What else? What about a squeeze? Very good. Armando Accardi. What about a squeeze? Well, if you don't know what a squeeze is actually if people are shorting the stock, if they're betting against the stock, then you can see that if the stock perform well, the stock goes higher and higher and higher, and those who short the stock actually have to buy back the shares as well, pushing the price even higher. And this is what we love. A short squeeze can push the stock 60% up even, okay? This can actually happen with Virgin Galactic. And let's have a look if we find the short interest of Virgin Galactic right now. So let's have a look. And sometimes it's, a little bit of, let's say, hard to find some real data on that. But let's try. So according to this website, we are about 15% short. You remember GameStop, how crazy it went up? It was because of short squeeze. So something like this we would love to see with space. And so basically here you can see 15% short interest. Okay, let's see another website here. Let's see what Ortex is telling us. Okay. Okay, according to this website, we are having 34%. And this website looks a little bit, and here you can see actually how the short went higher. But you can see here, according to this website, we are seeing 34%. Okay, 34% according to this website, which looked a little bit more professional. I'm trying to show something which is quite, let's say, quite simple for you guys. Let's try Google. I hate Windows Bing. Let's try Google real quick. So according to this website, we have 13%. So you can see here, different website, different perspectives. So let's say between 13 and 30, all right? Between 13, after hours, we, by the way, did the 20, okay? We are over 20 now after hours. So the demand for shares of space are quite high. So that's pretty good. So short squeeze can happen, should be more than 13%. 30% is already a good starting point. 50 would be better, and close to 100 would be, perfect, okay? To see crazy returns like 200-300% gain in like GameStop, then you have to see close to 100 or even more than 100. I don't even know if this is possible since GameStop, but that's definitely. So what else do we have here? By the way, I put already the live stream for Saturday. So if you are going on my channel, this is just to remind you guys, go on YouTube, go on Wolf of Dubai, and then go on my channel, and then you are scrolling down, and here is the space 22 my test flight live. Okay, I don't know which time it is yet, so I put like a random time, approximately the same time it was last time. So make sure to put your reminder on. Okay, sorry, I didn't share the screen. So you go on Wolf of Dubai, and then you scroll down. This is my channel. You go down, you are setting the reminder here, reminder on, and then you get reminded, okay? And this test flight will happen tomorrow, day after tomorrow, okay? On Saturday. So very important, guys, to stay tuned and subscribe, okay? So after hours, it stays over 20, which is a great sign. So tomorrow seems to be green as well. I think in the high one-digit numbers is very probable. Maybe again 15% tomorrow, you never know. But for all of those who sold, now it's a good time to buy back. Now you have the news, you have a certain certainty. For those who want to join, also a great time, right? Still, 20, it could be 60, 100 or 150 in a couple of years. And for those who are actually, just having already their position, now it's a good time to just average down, okay, if you have a high number. So just imagine, make sure to know that, okay? So what else in terms of questions do we have? When Jakub Kral is asking, when do you expect a share value version of $100? I hate to talk about price targets on the short term. All right, Jakub. This is just me being a professional here. But let me tell you, if we do all the things that we are planning to do with Virgin Galactic this year, I would be surprised if we don't reach $100. At least intraday ones, okay? At least as one all-time high. So I can jump out of the airplane, yeah? Guys, for all of those who joined, I will jump out of the airplane when Virgin Galactic is reaching $100, okay? So what else do we have here? What is your target price? Well, just higher. I'm not too much into, price targets. I just know, or I just think I know when it's a good deal, when it's a good company in a good market with a great product, why customers should use Virgin Galactic, because it's a great marketing and great platform, guys. It's a safe ride. It's, great, apparently great experience. We will know in the summer a little bit more about that. So, it will be great. What else do we have? When do you see Richard flying? Michael is asking that. I think that July, August, I think. All right. So Pete Barker said, Richard Branson said his flight is imminent, and also a few surprises were coming up in a live interview this morning. What could these surprises will be? Pete, was it an interview by this morning? Like by today, by Richard Branson? If yes, then share with us, please, the link to the interview, or at least let us know where you saw the interview. To the second part, what could be the surprises? Well, first of all, they said they will talk about the overall, opportunities with Virgin Galactic, the experiences. They will open the ticket sale. This is already enough, guys, okay? This is what we want to see. We want to see huge demand. We just saw how much money you can actually get for a space flight at Blue Origin. $3 million someone paid or will want to pay for going to space with Blue Origin. So imagine, you can charge $1 million easily for a flight with Virgin Galactic, at least for the first, 100 flights, easily. And, from one moment to the other, this company makes $100 million revenue with a 60-70% margin. This is crazy, okay? This is where we want to go with this, all right? Burak, please just send one message, okay? I'll put you there for the timeout so you cannot post so many messages. Just send one message, okay? It's enough. I'm not blind, neither I have any weaknesses on my eyes. Can we get another delay at Saturday because of some issues? I guess Rokas is implying here that he wants to buy for cheap. Well, I think the cheap is over, guys. $14 was the best that you could get. Then there is Adri Wolf. Can you believe it? Topped up yesterday 145 shares at $17.40. That's my boy. Congratulations. All right. So, what else do we have? Did I play already the party button? Let's make some freaking party, guys. I love that. I love that scene. Also, one of my favorites is this one.
$22 million in 3 fucking hours!
This is how we will feel in just 48 hours, guys, okay? So I'm really, and George is asking, who is pumped for the weekend? I am really pumped for the weekend, guys. I cannot wait. I don't know if, I don't know. Oh, Sam is asking, will there be a party stream after the flight is a failure? Well, first of all, there's a very bad energy here in this group, so I need to ban you. And second, the test flight is and will be successful, okay? No doubt about it, okay? Guys, we are going to the moon with this. And make sure to always stay clear. There's always people try to put their negativity out there. You know, stay positive, stay on top of your head. Make sure to absolutely be razor sharp with your research, so you know how to discover a great stock and a great company, and then you really will be successful in this game, okay? And how you can do that, again, you know, I would love if you join. 22% off on my masterclass, lifetime access to our Discord, 150 never released videos out there, really huge value. You support the channel here if you like these videos, and I see you tomorrow, okay? It's Virgin Galactic Fridays tomorrow. We will talk about the space flight. Then on Saturday, the big stream. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram. Smash the like button. And I see you tomorrow. Stay healthy, safe, and thank you very much for joining me on this ride, my fellow astronauts. All the links that I talked about into the description. Take care and see you in less than 24 hours.